To use your handphone to do approval, first you need to connect to VPN, then you only can go into the portal. So this one will be your VPN's icons. So you click on it and you click on this connected button here. So once you click on this connect buttons, so now your VPN has been connected. So once you're connected, you can actually go to this BWG portal now. So click on this icon. So this is the BWG portal icon. Just click on it. It will allow you to go into the website, and now you can select which company to log in. So now we have set up a BWG test, and also this is the actual BWG. In future, you might use BWG to log in to do your approval, or you use LB to log in to do your approval. So currently I'm going to use the BWG test first. So I will click in this BWG test. Once I select this company, you might need to put in your user ID and password. So I just put my user ID, let's say is MT02, and my password is, and then I just click sign in. Once you actually sign in to your this portal, so you can see this is a screen and tell you this is a notifications. So you have notification. One is urgent. When you see a bell, this is, and the yellow number here means that you have 2 urgent payments to do the approval. And if you see this one, a folder here, this is a 7. They will show you and 7 item you need to do approval. 4 will be the subcon. Another 3 is payment. So these payments, out of these 3 payments, 2 is urgent payments. So let's say we click on the urgent payment first, then you can, or you want to see all the 3 payments, so you can always click on this payment. So once you click on the payments, you can see there is total 3 payments here. The yellow one will be actually urgent payments, and the green one is a normal payments. So then let's say you want to approve your urgent payments, you can actually always click on the approve buttons, this yellow key here. Then you can actually click OK, then the system will help you to approve. Let's say no, I want to see a detail, then you can click cancel. So this is the approve button. If let's say you want to see the detail, you can actually click the plus sign beside this PV number. So you just click the plus sign. So you will be able to see that this is the particular subcon payment you need to make, and also this is the amount of the subcon payments. So, and if you want to view more details, then this is just a summary detail, who is going to pay and what is the amount. So you can click approve, or you want to see more detail, you can actually click on these 2 details buttons here. So then you click on it, it will bring you to the more detailed information. So it will show you these are the first level have been approved, PM have approved, the contract manager have approved, and the partial approval has been done for the management level, which is the GM, finance, and also the Dato wins. So now is outstanding for Josh to make an approval. So if let's say if you think it's okay, you want to approve it, so your action will be selected approve, and you just click the process button, so it will be approved. If let's say you want to reject, you can always click at the action to select whether you want to reject it or you want to rectify it. Let's say you want to do a rectification, then you need to click rectification, and you must put comments here, so what are the things you want them to rectify for you. So let's say we're going to approve it, then we can actually click approve, and then we click process. So if you go into more details, you can actually see the attachment here also. So if you want to view the attachment, you can always click on the attachments. So these are the attachments. So once you see the attachment, you can actually go back. So you just press this return key. So you'll come back to this screen again. So this is how you're going to use your handphone to do an approval. Once you do that, maybe you want to continue your subcon approval. So you can always click on the notification here and click for subcon. So when you click on subcon, you can see this is actually 4 outstanding subcon. You can do approval here. So same thing, you have a approve button. So this is the approve button. So you can click this approve button to approve it. Click OK, then it will approve. Click cancel, then you will come out. Then you can go into more details information. Just click the plus sign here, and then you can see out this is the subcon awards for this particular project, this particular package and WBS, and this is the budgeted cost amount. So if you want to see the more detail who have been approved already, so you can actually click into the detail drill down buttons. So you can see now this is the PM have been approved, the GM have been approved. So now waiting for the 2 CEO to approve. So you just click on the process button, the action here is approved, then you click the process and the system will help you to approve it. So if you go into more details, you can actually swap down here. So you can see this is an attachment. You can always click on the attachments. So you will view the attachment from here. So you can actually download the attachment and then you can actually view the attachment. So these are the attachment. Okay, you can view. So or you can actually once you view everything that okay fine, then you can click the return key here. So then it will go back to this screen and come back to here. You can take a action and take a process. This is how you do the approval for the subcon and also the payment. It's all these 2 icon here. You can always click on it, okay, and go in to do your approval. Bring you to the detail and do your approval.